Dear students, how are you all? I hope you are all by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. You know, all educational institution coaching center is closed because of the global COVID-19. But you have to continue your studies. You have been deprived of school classes for about 5 or 7 months. So today I have come to Mansur online to take your virtual class on behalf of Nagendranath Mahajan High School. Listen carefully and attentively to my class. Today's our lesson English first paper. Let's start our class. Look at the picture in the textbook. Keyword traveling by train. To our today's lesson traveling by train. Keywords departure, empty, print out. Ask and answer the questions. Have you ever looked through the window from a running train? If you have, what did you see? Yes, I have looked through window from a running train. It was Davangon's bound Tista Express. I saw many beautiful senses like flying children, houses, bridges, trees, rivers, working men, public gathering, mosques, school, colleges, villages, etc. Look at the keywords. Departure. Departure means passing, exit, period. Empty. Empty means vacant, bare, devoid. Print out means listing, hard copy, printer. Compartment means chamber, room, cabin. Station means space, position, location. Big means large, great, huge. Running means reaching, flight, going. Quietly means perfectly, fully, completely. Fast means it identified to the adjective. Quick, rapid, swift. Window means ventilator, eye lacked. Beautiful means pretty, excellent, fine. Similarities, sameness, equality, likeness. Begin means start, enter, going. Read the passage carefully. Read about a train journey. Jishan, Julie and their parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arif Khan got into a first-class compartment at Kamalapur railway station. It was Davangon's bound Tista Express. The train left at 8 o'clock. Jishan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. However, the train was running quite fast. The children sat by the window beside their parents. The compartment was half empty. Yesterday, Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey by Robert Louis Stevenson. She took a printout of the poem. Now, while looking out of the windows, he found similarities between the poem and real scenery. She took out the poem and began to read. Look at the question and try to answer the questions. Question number 1. Why are all the seats compartment taken? Answer, wrong. Half of the compartment taken. Question number 2. Where did Jishan sit? Jishan sat by the window beside their parents. Question number 3. Where was the train going? The train was going to Davangon's. Did the train leave Kamalapur station? Late or time? The train left Kamalapur station late. What was Julie doing from the seat? From herself, Julie was looking out and seeing the faces, seeing the passing things. If you don't understand, make a note and let me comments. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay well, stay at home. Don't go out of the house unnecessarily. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.